Reality check, man, from a year device, you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, home and in the diaspora abroad, I am here this morning trying to bring back some memories to the youth them in the ghetto and the garrison of what take place in the pandemic and how the Prime Minister of Jamaica treat them like dogs without no regards. Lock them away like them in a cage. Now take none talk. We see how police humiliate some of the youth them after them come out and say certain things about the Prime Minister. And now they are out there pretending like everything is okay. And them and the Jamaican people is good. It's a way, but anyway, listen to the Prime Minister of Jamaica as he on stage and say every ghetto youth is a star. So we're going to listen to the Prime Minister and then after we'll dissect it.
It is not just my belief. One DJ said it far more eloquently than I could say it. Every ghetto youth is a star. DJ said it far more eloquently than I could say it. Every ghetto youth is a star.
So that is the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you know. And I see him a behave on stage. Every ghetto youth is a star. Whatever. But I am just here this morning to refresh the youth their memory. And as I said, walk into the polling station tomorrow. Them know exactly what them to do. They put on an X beside the head. You understand? So the next clip that I want to show is a veteran. Seeing is a veteran and how the police them deal with this veteran. When the veteran I try to explain to them that he is homeless, him not live nowhere. Why not see him there so that's how him live? And them I tell him, say, you hear the Prime Minister give out curfew and XYZ and where. Be yourself, sit down in the truck. And all him I tell him, say, alright, take your thing off of my hand now. I say, sit down in the truck. So anyway, when we listen to the clip.
Prime Minister said we have to run that.
Yeah, but you know, we have to do what I'm doing. Alright, so me always come in.
I got walk away. Sit down in the truck.
Yo, we don't like when I deal with me, no man. Yeah, but take off this of me, man, please. Take off this of me, no, please. Yeah, take off this of me, no, man. Take this off of me, no, please.
So you hear that? Me I try to explain to you, say me no live nowhere. Alright, that's how me live. Me no want to hear nothing from you basically. The Prime Minister said curfew. Stop your noise and sit down in the truck. Stop your noise and sit down in the truck. And he must say, take your thing off of me hand now, because I no post no threat or no arm to you know. Sit down in the truck. You understand? That is how them deal with the elder in the pandemic. A homeless who don't have nowhere to go, who don't they creep him up and that's how he reside. Because the Prime Minister of Jamaica just sit to it. That's a man like this get a poor relief house. Take him out of the house and throw him out in a truck. Because obviously that's so. I'm house. So anyway, my viewers and subscribers, the next clip that I am about to play is the youth. Them were up on the corner and tell the Prime Minister say they not go in. And the policeman come there and find him and report back to headquarters. So yeah man, we find him and he was under a bed hiding. So without further ado, my people, take it away.
I just can't do nothing. We all tell we not going, see there. Life me I make sure go. We all tell we not going. I just want to just yeah, see that? I know them. Since squad man first to there. We not going up tonight.
SSP office.
Last night.
Go ahead.
Right. No, we have found the man that we're looking for, so you can stand on the record. It was on the bed hiding, but we found it. It was on the bed hiding, but we found it. It was on the bed hiding, but we found it. It was on the bed hiding, but we found it.
So you see that Jamaica, the youth make some remarks in the pandemic, which I am democratic right, to voice him opinion, and the Prime Minister sending police them with the youth. So him come on the scene now, and him hold the youth. But he want the whole Jamaica to hear, because he knows that this going to go viral, because they want to humiliate the youth, You understand what I say? So him put you out there. You have to find him, and he were under a bed hiding. So this is what I tell you, Ghetto youth them. I want to remember them things here tomorrow before you walk into the polling station and cast on ex brother. Remember what this man Andrew Holness has done to you. You understand? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, the next clip that I am about to show is a young man named Higgins. A young man named Higgins. Him himself, you understand, when they voice his opinion against the Prime Minister, and them find him also and take him to the station. And when he make an apology, the policeman go tell him, say, boy, like, nah man, that's not good enough. Like when you went at this the Prime Minister and then so you go on. You understand what I say? So them take the youth them and carry them at station, The youth them voice them opinion, because their opinion is their democratic right, You understand what I say? But the Prime Minister with him dictator self, and how thin-skinned he is, him send the police with the youth them. And at the same time, the gunman them out there where they knuckle the place. Scotch-free. You see what I talk about? So without any further ado, we're going to play the clip and make you hear what I go on.
And resident Shaquille Higgins and his family have threatened to file a lawsuit against the police and the Jamaican government. Higgins is the man who was arrested and cajoled into submitting a video-recorded public apology for an expletive-laden rant against the Prime Minister.
Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
Go better that man. Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
Go better that man. Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
Go better that man.
So, the youth say, I'm sorry. Him say, no, man. Go better than that, man. When they went at this the Prime Minister, and they say when I go on. So this is some personal thing, where the man must apologize to the Prime Minister, Where man live in a democratic country, where we're talking about freedom of speech, So this is what I want to point out to the Ghetto youth them. If Jamaica is not yet a republic, what Andrew Holness is trying to transform Jamaica into a republic, and the police them can do no so. I want to take it to consideration that if Andrew Holness get in way and he switch up the constitution and now make the state of Jamaica is now run by the police and the military, what is going to happen to him? I want you to hear me, and I want you to hear me keenly. If Andrew Holness should have his way and not give him another term, I just want you to look and remember what the police and soldiers have done to you guys in the pandemic and what is actually taking place right now as I speak. And we have our democracy right now. Just think if it go republic. And now when it go republic, remember what is going to happen. The state is now going to run by the military and the police force. What do you think will happen to you? If them are treating us so now, and it's not run by the military or the police. Just imagine if Andrew Holness should have his way and it reach to a republic and the states is now run by police and soldiers. Not dead or no dead down in that, brother. Not dead or no dead down in that, brother. As I said, I am just here. You understand? To bring back memories to the youth them. So when you know are going at the polling station tomorrow, you know remember what you know are going there go do. Remember say you know just voice your opinion, brother, in the pandemic. And the Prime Minister sent police come for you, brother. Make you know have the public apologize for phone. You understand what I say? And it's a freedom of speech for we to voice our opinion. I want to take them things into consideration. I want to look on them things here. I want to look on them serious, brother. We are not yet a republic. And the Andrew Holness-led administration is pushing for Jamaica to become a republic. Now take this to consideration. If we are not a republic as yet, and the military and the police are treating us like a dog, just imagine if this should come to reality and Andrew Holness is the president and the country gone republic. The state is now run by soldiers and police. Just think what's going to happen to you, brother. I want you to think wisely. Pass the rum and boom. Pass the bag of rice and chicken, brother. Pass the bag of rice and the chicken back. Pass the fertilizer. Pass the 3 and the 5 and the 10 and the 15 and the 20,000. Look past that. And look, pan Jamaica is now run by the military and the police and Andrew Holness government. Where Andrew Holness is now the president and nobody can talk to him again. They're gonna dead. Uno dead. Brother, Jamaica is on the verge. If you don't rescue it right now, amen, so let it be. Uno dead down in that, brother. I want to take all these things into consideration. And when you go to the poll tomorrow, you know say one choice you don't have. And the choice is to put X beside the head. Right now, the PMP is the only hopes for Jamaica. PMP is the only hopes right now for the youth them in the ghetto and the garrison. PMP is the only hope right now for the inner city youth them, rural Jamaica and the urban communities. The only hopes right now are the PMP, brother. So we're not going to the polling station there tomorrow, brother. We're not farm fool on yourself. Because as I said before, if this Andrew Holness administration get their way and Jamaica move into a republic, oh God, man, I done it done, brother. Make good sense prevail, higher. I want to go do the right thing. But just refresh your memory. I just refresh your memory because more than thing have to stay fresh from the eye them memory. So when the eye them walk in at the polling station tomorrow, and one thing upon the eye them mind, and I have to go put on an X right beside the head. Right there, so there, brother. Anyway, you can't say aromatic never won, you know. I did. So anyway, my people, love your fellow man and show them respect. No man is an island, so therefore not one of us that stand alone. And I will continue to tell you that each one, and we all our brothers and sister keepers in this one. Be well, my people. Heart of love, the signature word. Heart of love. Heart of love. Heart of love. Be well, my people. Out.